Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to use augmented reality for online shopping on your phone. Ensure your phone supports AR by checking compatibility with AR Core Android or ARKit iPhone. Then, download or update AR-supported shopping apps like Amazon, IKEA, or Sephora from your App Store. Here, open the app, log into your account and browse for products with an AR or view in your space icon. Grant the app permission to access your camera when prompted to enable the AR feature. Now, tap the AR button on the product page to launch your phone's camera with the AR overlay. Move your phone around to scan the floor or surface until the item anchors and appears in 3D. Adjust the item size, position, or color using the on-screen controls if supported. Walk around the item to view it from different angles in real-world scale and lighting. Once satisfied, tap Buy Now or add to cart to purchase the product directly through the app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.